Hey guys, this is John. Welcome to the free futures video. A fairly phenomenal day today. Let's take a look here at the S&P futures. So here's the main thing I look at here. A lot of volatility here. And when I see, well, here's two things here. So I'm very big into what I would just call the predominant channel. Okay, you can see here we've got this very clear, kind of sloppy channel. And one thing with the advent of high frequency traders is that channels have gotten a little sloppier because there's more stop runs. Okay, that's just what the algos do. That's where they make the big bucks. And today we started off, you can see here, just kind of a gap up and just kept going, and hung out at this key resistance level right until the Fed minutes came out, and then boom, some pretty big selling. And the feedback that came out was that the Fed wanted to start shrinking its balance sheet. Well, that could suddenly turn, a lot of trading strategies, not from an individual perspective, but more on, sovereign wealth funds and things like that too, where it takes them a long time to unwind positions. And if suddenly this is a real thing that they got to start changing, things could get very interesting very fast. And so in the premium video, I'll take a look at the correlated assets. But for the S&Ps, we just haven't gotten bullish yet. We haven't gotten above this channel on a closing basis. And in fact, today's bar is pretty nasty because we closed below the 21. And we got a squeeze here. So we could, see some pretty nasty downside here. The best thing that could happen tomorrow would be a gap up. If we could gap up like 8 S&P points, I definitely would short it, looking for a gap fill and potentially a continuation of the selling from there. All right, so that's what we got. And then I'll see you guys in the premium video.